imeng'aa vile pia tumetrain. Naona mood iko juu, ukiangalia vile watu wanajituma kwa mazoezi, watu wako ready kwa game ya kesho. It's a big game and you know we are prepared and we only need our supporters to show up tomorrow so that we can they can push us so that we can get the good results tomorrow.
We've had a good 2 weeks to prepare for this particular match since we played our last match against Ethiopian Coffee. The mood in camp is really positive. Every player is raring to go, and I'm pretty sure any of these players that gets an opportunity to represent us tomorrow will put his best foot forward and will ensure that we get a good result at home. So we are well aware of the team that we'll be playing against. We know the quality that they have. We know the history that they have in this particular tournament. However, we also know that they've got a few weak points, and that is exactly what we'll be looking to exploit tomorrow in order to give us an advantage.